In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Facebook. To get started, sign in to your Calendly account using an account that has admin permissions. This is important because some integration settings are only visible or editable for admins. Once you are inside your Calendly dashboard, take a moment to make sure you are on the main workspace where your settings and connected tools are managed. From there, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Integrations and Apps. This is the section where Calendly lets you connect with outside platforms and services. Inside that area, use the search function to find Facebook, and when the matching option appears, select Meta Pixel. This integration is typically used to help track activity and connect scheduling behavior with your Meta advertising and analytics tools. After selecting Meta Pixel, click Go to Setup. This will open the connection process and show you the field where you'll eventually enter your Pixel ID. If you don't already have that ID copied, the next part is to grab it from your Meta account. Open your Meta Business Suite in a separate tab or window, so it's easier to switch back and forth. Once you are in Meta Business Suite, go to All Tools. Then open Events Manager. Inside Events Manager, look for Datasets. This is where your tracking sources, including your Pixel information, are stored. Open the correct dataset, then find and copy your Pixel ID. Be careful to copy only the ID itself, without any extra spaces or characters, since accuracy matters here. Now return to Calendly and paste the Pixel ID into the designated field in the setup screen. After pasting it in, click Save to complete the connection. If everything was entered correctly, Calendly should accept the ID and your integration will be set up. As a quick tip, if the connection doesn't seem to work right away, double-check that you copied the correct Pixel ID from the correct metadata set. And confirm that you are signed into the right Calendly account with admin access. Small account mix-ups are one of the most common reasons setups fail. Once saved, your Calendly account should now be connected to Facebook through Meta Pixel, allowing you to support better event tracking and reporting across your scheduling flow. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.